Hey guys, I'm Chef Scott for Devil's Food Kitchen. Welcome to this week's video. We're going to be making carrot cake cupcakes with what else? Cream cheese frosting. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, you can find it in the description below, as well as any special tools that I'm using this week. Now, carrot cake is actually a really simple recipe, so I only have one real recipe note, and that has to do with the extras that you may add to your cake batter. Things like shredded coconut or walnuts, raisins, even crushed pineapple. In the case of the coconut, the walnuts, and the raisins, you can add those to your cake batter without a lot of effect in the finished product. Although I will warn you that walnuts can make things really troublesome if you're trying to slice your cake into layers in the future. The crushed pineapple, however, may affect your overall batter because of the water content. So if you are adding crushed pineapple, you may want to reduce some of the water content elsewhere in the eggs or add just a little bit more flour, but that's going to come with some recipe testing. Personally, I am a purist, so I just have the carrots in the carrot cake. I don't add any of the extras, but again, if you'd like to, you absolutely can to your own taste preferences. That is it. Those are all of the notes. Everything else is really self-explanatory, although of course I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions, and we're going to get started right now. As always, bring the butter and whole eggs to room temperature before getting started. The first step is to sift your all-purpose flour and baking soda together and set it aside to use later. Shred your carrots and save those for later too. You can purchase shredded carrot if you want, it's definitely a time saver, and I like to take the extra step to finely chop the carrot to get more even distribution throughout the batter. Combine the sugar, brown sugar, vegetable oil, and whole eggs and whisk on medium speed with a whip attachment for about 3 to 4 minutes or until everything is well combined. Switching to a paddle attachment, add the cinnamon, vanilla extract, salt, and sifted dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Next, fold in the chopped carrots. Usually in my professional kitchen, I bake cupcakes in silicone muffin molds without a paper liner, but when I'm making them at home and I know they aren't going to be eaten right away, I'll use paper cups. An easy way to distribute batter consistently is with an ice cream disher. I have a link to this one below. That being said, my preferred method is using a piping bag. Nothing is as clean, consistent, and quick as piping batter into your molds. Whichever way you choose, fill the paper cups just over 3/4 full. Once the cupcakes are fully cooled, remove them from the muffin pan. I like to place them in a second paper cup. This is really just for show and to hide the oil that has soaked through the first cup, but if you're using these for a special event, I think it's a nice touch. Now they're ready for frosting. Okay, this one is really simple. Combine the cream cheese and butter. And while those two are mixing, add the vanilla extract and lemon juice. Add the sifted powdered sugar and mix on medium-high speed until the frosting is light and fluffy. Frost the cupcakes however you see fit. I like to pipe a large rosette, and the tip I'm using is down below in the description. hope you enjoyed the video and give this very simple but very tasty recipe a try. Thanks for watching.